Hello and welcome to the video. My name is Zane Mohammed, and in this video I am going to be speaking about my first impressions as well as my experiences using eFlow as a software developer for 800 Tech Limited in Trinidad and Tobago. So to me, eFlow is relatively simple to use and easy to understand. I've had the privilege of working with eFlow for a few short weeks, and in that time I've had exposure to several business problems that I've had to build solutions for, and it's really my exposure to these processes and how I went about building them using eFlow that changed my entire perspective of how business processes are built. Using eFlow as a design tool for business processes has completely revolutionized the way that I think about business processes in general. eFlow comes equipped with a variety of tools that you can use to handle literally any use case that comes to mind with relative ease. In terms of development, it completely speeds up your development time. I use a simple interface to pretty much design and visualize my process flow as I go about building, and it is a complete game changer, especially when compared to coding, where you would literally stare at code for hours on end and try to visualize something in your mind as you go about coding. In eFlow, it's completely different. You have a simple interface where you can drag and drop the various tools that you would use to actually go about building a process. And in terms of development time, it cuts the development time by a lot, by a landslide. In terms of what you can do in a couple of minutes in eFlow, you would probably spend hours upon hours actually coding, and I'm saying this as it comes from my personal experience as a JavaScript developer as well. I would spend literally hours coding what I would probably be able to achieve in only a couple of minutes using the eFlow designer tools. So to me, the capacity that eFlow provides a developer is unparalleled in terms of what you can do in a relatively short period of time and what you can really integrate it with to handle pretty much any solution that you would need to build for a company to address their pain points and to address any sort of problem that they may encounter. eFlow to me is really great, and it really has the capacity to do so much for businesses and to do so much in a relatively short period of time, which is not something that you would be able to do using a regular method of development, such as actual coding and stuff. So to me, my experience with eFlow has been nothing but positive, and I continue to look forward to building and working with several other companies to continue to do some incredible things with eFlow. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.